If you're ready to make a kale salad, you've come to the right place. I have the perfect one for you. I have tried many different kinds of kale salads, and I guarantee none can come close with the amount of textures and flavors that combine in this salad. There's the perfect amount of salt and acid and sweet and just a little bit of back heat combined with a couple different textures and crunch and soft textures. It's amazing. So let's get started. So you probably have only seen curly kind in the store. Not my favorite one at all. I'll still eat it. I like that one for soup because it's really sturdy. But these are my two favorites. This one had always been my favorite, but I had not been introduced to this one until like a month ago. And now this one has become my favorite. So this is called Lacinto kale. It's often called dinosaur kale or Italian kale. And this one typically is always called red kale. You can eat part of the stem if you want it. I mean, most people don't like it real woodsy, so I would skim off the leaves, and I'll show you how I do that in a minute. Same thing with this one. Although these ends are a little more tender, I would still skim it off and not use all of the stem. But I'm going to make a great kale salad tonight. I'll probably use the red one for that, and maybe use this one to saute another night. So here's the red kale that I have put into just a quick salad, a little avocado oil, or you could use olive oil. I did some toasted almonds, some dates, a little pinch of red pepper flakes, one small shallot, and then a good amount of lemon juice, and then salt and pepper just to taste. But mix it as early on as you can so that it can really kind of macerate in there. And is that the right word? Macerate? I don't know. You want the flavors to meld, basically. Fast video, but I promise that salad is just as quick to make at home. I really like to let it sit together, and then right before I'm about to serve it, that's when I throw on the toasted almonds, because otherwise if it sits too long, then they just start to lose that extra crunch. And the other thing I like about this salad, being that it's kale and it's already dressed, it's still okay the next day for lunch. I wouldn't push it much more than 24 hours, but it's actually still really good. The flavors combine even more, and it depending on the kale that you choose, it's still pretty strong textured. So thank you for joining me at Go Beyond Betty, where you are taking whisks every day in the kitchen. See you next time. Bye. Do I have something in my teeth? The dangers of kale salad.